Jack McCaig here again. I get this question a lot. Is a trust legal? The trust is legal. We have a legal school. We're following the laws, right? We created a trust that is fantastic. So is it legal? Yes, it's legal. Is the we trust legal? It's the same type of trust. Yes, the United States is legal. It's a 508c1A trust. C1A, right? It's legal. It's completely legal. How can you tell? Oh, Christian Ministries Trust, the trust I've been operating and showed proof of for years now, is registered at Florida Secretary of State. It has complete credit profile with lots of credit accounts, has been around for years. Okay, so is it legal? Yeah, it's extremely hard to get a bank account, to get credit cards, to, you have to follow the law. You can't just go get a bank account. You have to do They're extremely careful about everything these days, aren't they? Right? Patriot Act, all this, everything. Of course, this is legal. This super wealthy elite operate this type of trust. That's how they, you know, oh, I can't show my taxes. Say some president can't show their taxes. Well, they don't have any taxes to show. Well, they don't pay any. So, shouldn't you be doing the same? Right? No paying of taxes, no reporting of taxes annually. It's completely legal to do that. If I follow the law. Uh, I'm an accountant. So, okay, so your accountant, not very good. I'm a good accountant. Not only am I a really good accountant, but I also teach you how to use this, and that you don't even need me. And what accountant does that? Gets himself out of a job, you know? And don't pay taxes, and here's how you do that. That's what this is, okay? So, completely legal here. I sit all day long helping people. I'm easy to get a hold of. I never hear from the government, never have, never will. Everything I do is legal. So, is it your turn to get on this and get the trust and experience all what I'm talking about? Here to help you.